You know you're good at what you do. So why does it feel like everyone else keeps getting promoted and you're stuck invisible? If you've ever left a networking event early, ghosted a potential mentor, or spiraled after a simple meeting, this isn't just nerves, it's anxiety. And it's costing you your career momentum. So stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down how anxiety blocks career growth. And on Friday, I'm giving you 3 quick science based fixes to stop playing small. Brain hacks. You know, I love brain hacks. So let's get real. Success isn't just about talent, it's just not about your pedigree. It's not just about where you went to school and what your degree is in. It's also about visibility, relationships, and presence. That's the real deal. And that's a problem if you
Oh
have
crap,
social
oh crap,
anxiety.
oh crap, oh
Here's the
crap.
thing anxiety,
Stupid.
yeah, it
I'll be
hijacks
right
your
there,
nervous
dude.
system,
Don't say when.
shrinking your voice
Sounds
in
stupid.
meetings,
I'll be right
freezing you in
there, dude.
conversations, and convincing you you're not ready enough to be seen. But you are. So picture this. You're at a networking event and someone says, "Tell me about yourself." Your brain goes blank, blank screen. Your heart is pounding. We've all been there. Your mouth, you give a fake laugh, your mouth is dry, and then you make a quick excuse to leave. But what if that anxious shutdown is actually a trauma response in disguise? So hear me out. Social anxiety doesn't start in adulthood. It's reinforced by early attachment wounds or early social traumas, like maybe you were bullied, maybe you had a really harsh, mean teacher, right? If you grew up walking on eggshells, being criticized for speaking up, being made fun of, or praised only for achievements, things like that, your body learned that visibility equals danger. So you shrink, you stay invisible, right? Because that's where it's safe. If nobody sees me, they won't talk about me. They won't make fun of me. I won't get in trouble. I'll just stay quiet and invisible. This isn't a personality flaw, it's a nervous system pattern. And patterns can be rewired. And you know that's what I love doing. That is my expertise. So on Friday, we're going to get into the how, step by step rewiring techniques you can use in under 5 minutes before a meeting, a pitch, or a networking event. But I'll give you one micro fix right now. Before you walk into the room, put your hand on your chest and exhale longer than you inhale. Inhale just for 30 seconds. And I know that sounds simple, but trust me, this signals safety to your nervous system and keeps your brain online when you need it most because it switches you into your parasympathetic nervous system. It's like an overhaul, it's a brain hack. You might need to do it a few times. Anyway, you don't have to be the loudest person in the room. You have to be present enough to be remembered. So, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and come back Friday so you don't miss the quick fixes. And next, watch my video on the real reason you procrastinate at work. I think I'm going to put that out next week. Here's the thing sometimes the thing holding you back isn't skill. It isn't lack of a degree or lack of experience, it's fear. Bye for now.